Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking seafood kare kare. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, peanuts, squid, shrimp, crabs, clams, and we have mixed seafoods here. We have fish and crab meat, and we have our vegetables: eggplant, string beans, bokchoy, and banana blossom. And we have also the annatto ground for coloring, which is, we call it atsuete. And we got peanut butter, and also we're gonna use coconut milk and coconut cream. So let's do it. Now we're gonna blanch the vegetables. We have water here boiling already, so we'll just cook this half cooked. I'll try to put the eggplant first. Right. Okay. We'll cover it. Cook it for a minute or so. After a minute, I think our eggplant is done. Okay. Now we're gonna transfer this into a bowl with water and ice. Okay. So this will help preserve the natural color of the vegetables. So we're gonna soak it there until we are ready to mix it with our kare kare. Okay, now we'll do our string beans. Okay, we'll do it for, we're gonna boil this for 30 seconds or so. And it should be done. Now let's check our string beans. Yeah, this is done. We're gonna transfer this into cold water right here. Okay. So this will preserve the cold water will preserve its color. Color of the vegetables. All right. Okay, now we're gonna put our banana blossom, or we call it puso na saging. Okay. And it should be cooked in a minute or so. Now let's check our banana blossom. Wow, this is good already. We're gonna transfer it to cold water and we'll do the rest of the vegetables. Now we will do the bokchoy. We're gonna blanch this into like 20 seconds. Now let's check our bokchoy. It's done. Now we're gonna pan fry our seafoods. Okay. We're gonna just do half cook on these guys, and that should be it. Okay, let's do our shrimp first. Okay. When it's changed its color to pinkish, we're gonna turn it over, cook the other side again, and then that should be done. Now let's check the other side. All right. So we have to turn this over and cook the other side. All right, the shrimp is done. We'll transfer it to the bowl, and we're gonna fry the other seafood. Now we'll do the fish. This is a sea bass fillet, and also the mixed seafood here. So we're gonna just pan fry it. Now we'll do our mixed seafood. Now we'll pan fry the squid. Okay. Now let's check the squid. Wow. This is done. Now we'll put the crab. Okay. Now we will do the clams. Okay. So the clam, once it opens, that means it's cooked. So we'll cover it. Now we're going to be using a big pot here, and let's put some olive oil. We're gonna cook the kare kare now. Okay. All right. So put our onions. Put our garlic. Let's saute it for a few seconds. Now we'll put the sauce from we use from frying the seafoods, because this will give a nice taste. All right, because all the taste of different seafoods are here. All right. So now it's time to put our coconut milk. Okay. And also we have coconut cream. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna let it boil for 1 minute, and we will mix the, we'll put the seafoods later. After 2 minutes, we will put our peanut butter. Okay. Like 3 spoonfuls of peanut butter. Okay, and then we're gonna put also our peanuts, you know. Okay, and let it boil for another 30 seconds. And this time also we can put our atsuete, so it will give a nice color. Put our atsuete. There you go. Okay. And now we are ready for the seafoods. Okay. Let's put the fish and mixed seafoods. Oh, it's a lot of them. All right. Put our crab. Okay. All right. Now, let's put our squid. Okay. Our shrimp. Man, this is delicious. And our clams. Now we're gonna saute this or let it boil for 3 minutes. That should be done. After 3 minutes, let's check the kare kare. Wow. Ooh, smells good. And now I think this is the right time to place our vegetables. So, I'm gonna place our vegetables. There you go. We got a lot. This is good for 10 people to eat. Okay, another 2 minutes and it will be totally done. Here is the finished product, seafood kare kare. Please share this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.